This is how to replace a seatbelt on a Mack. This Mack is a CXU613, and the procedure is the same for the passenger or the driver's side. There's only 3 spots you need to worry about. One is right here, the other is down in here, and the third is right up there. And you just pop this off. There you go. They are all 16 millimeters, all 3 of them. This is about the easiest seatbelt I've ever done. The kit I got did not actually come with this, so I leave that on there. And the back is welded, so you just rotate. Hopefully that weld doesn't break for you. So you take it off right here, take it off down here. You might need an extension for that one. It is up in there, but that is also 16. And then the one up here is also 16. So take all 3 of those out and just pop the new one in. That's about as easy as you can get. Make sure not to lose this bolt when you take the seatbelt off. I just pop that back in there until I get the other 2 parts in. I got that on, and next I do the bottom part. If you take up too much slack and you can't get it back down, there's a trick to that. You can't do it sideways, and you can't do it too fast. You just gotta make it completely level and just go down fairly slow. So go ahead and get that down in there and get that one in. Now that the bottom is secure, we go ahead and get the last one right in there. And there it is on. This is by far the easiest seatbelt I have ever done. If the weld breaks in the back right here, or it bends right here, you can actually replace this piece right here. You'd have to order that. But this is replaceable as well, just in case this part messes up. So that's how you replace it on a Mack. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.